Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to get free ChatGPT Plus for 1 year. So if you are not getting the prompt right for free, so for example I'm going to tap this upgrade, but still it is asking me to pay, okay, but I'm not getting anything like free. Open Chrome browser, okay, open Chrome browser and go to ChatGPT. So here, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try Go. You need to try Go. So it is a free, right? And the next one also is free. See this? So here I'm going to tap it, upgrade to Go. So now both the ID are same. So now I got the options, try Go. So I'm going to choose this, upgrade to Go. So now it gone to payment page and check your mail ID. The same, it should be matching with your ChatGPT account, or if you are trying to get right, if you are purchasing the free purchase on ChatGPT through browser, then log in the same account. Okay, now you need to provide your credit card or details. So I'm going to provide that. So provide all the details and tap subscribe. So I need to accept this terms and conditions and then subscribe. So you need to provide the address and then the subscribe will be enabled, and then tap processing. Super cool. So it's successfully subscribed. So now yes, automatically redirected. Super cool. So the same account I'm going to try on the app. So now I'm checking this app settings and yes, ChatGPT 5 is there. Then I have ChatGPT Go. So same thing, log in with my Chrome browser, going here, profile, and then settings, and then the plan under account. So here you can cancel the subscriptions. So here you can tap and cancel the subscriptions. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can opt in and opt out. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in my forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.